I distinctly remember the first level of the PRP and just having a blast. That's where I made a lot of my friends in the business program.
They really set me up for success. So before PRP, I did not have a resume. And so I got to build a resume in PRP, like I think the first semester in PRP 1000.
I learned a lot about how to make connections, network with people, also interviewing with people and knowing the right questions to ask and how to answer different things.
So we had to do a mock interview. We signed up with a company and I picked Scientific Games, which is based in Cedar Falls, and now it's called SciPlay, and they make mobile gaming apps, and I'm like, this is super cool. So I signed up for them. Little did I know, 2 years later, I would be interning there, and the person that interviewed me from a mock interview from Scientific Games actually became my supervisor.
Using the communication skills that we learned and learning more about ourselves so that we can implement it with other people and working as a team, I think those are the most impactful things that I learned in Business 1000 and 2000.
What helped me the most in the PRP 1000 and 2000 now are looking at writing professional emails and doing a professional phone call. I'm on the phone every single day, multiple hours of the day, and I'm writing hundreds of emails during the day. So it really helped making sure you had your business etiquette in there, and also making sure you get your point across and not drawing it out for too long.
It's gonna be worth it, and it's gonna help you in the long run. You might not remember everything, and that's okay, and it's gonna be awesome in your journey and something that you're gonna use for the remainder of your career.
Other schools don't have programs like this, and it's just so special to be able to see how much UNI cares about you as a business student and just really wants to see you succeed in your careers later in life.